My God, I am tired. And the bad thing is that I got 27 minutes to go, y'all. Everybody, welcome back to John's Garage. Today is going to be an upper body workout, 60 minutes. I'm just going to focus on the neglected parts of the body, more like the areas where I need the most work. So I'm going to be doing a lot of upper chest. I'm going to focus on my shoulders and things like that. Not my normal routine. It's just going to be a little bit different. So let's get it in on this Saturday, neglected body part time. All right, let's go. That was a little tough for me. I never ever hit anything over 225 on that incline. So this is a steeper incline for me. So I'm going to just slow down, keep on working with 225 and build my way up. This is definitely an exercise where you need a spot on. So I'm not going to go like super heavy on that. I'm going to keep on working up and eventually move up to those 3 plates and work out with that. But let's keep moving. Yo, that was 2 good sets. We're gonna hit 3 more sets, so a total of 5 plus the warm-up set, plus that attempt at 315, which I failed, okay? Let's keep moving, let's make some progress. Some good work on that, the incline. Man, I feel a lot of pressure on my shoulders. They are really sore, guys. So that was good work. I think I did about 5 or 6 sets. I tried to get to 10, but I just couldn't do it. So my shoulders, I'm barely holding up this phone. So let me take this 3-minute break and I'll get back to you on the next exercise. my God, I am tired. And the bad thing is that I got 27 minutes to go, y'all. Oh my God. Let's keep it moving. Oh. Shoulders were a killer. I'm talking about, oh my God, my shoulders are like, they feel like they're about to fall off. I cannot even hold this phone up. So let me take a 3-minute and move to something else. Yo, I'm feeling better now. My body is starting to recover. 2 more sets of those tricep push downs and move to the next exercise. So let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I'm tired, man. Man, my shoulders are still aching, okay? We're going to keep it moving though. Yo, that was good work on the triceps. We're going to keep it moving. We got about 10 minutes left, and I'm about to get some more work in, okay? I've been really focusing on some of my weaker areas. My tricep is not a weaker area, but I hardly work on that. No, I won't say that. I won't say that. My triceps are not some of my weaker areas, but I wanted to put some more work in so it could help me get up to higher bench pressing, okay? So let's work on my forearms, and we're gonna keep it moving, see what I can do, and blah, 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 blah. Yo, I'm getting in some good work. I'm feeling everything that I'm doing. I got time for one more exercise, okay? One more exercise. I'm going to do upper chest again, but kneeling. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. shoulders were aching during the incline bench press. It was tough for me. I think I did about 6 sets, and I really wanted to level up on some of my weaker areas. So my upper chest is definitely one of the weaker areas, and I really want to be fully developed. So I'm going to take more time in different isolation exercises, which will build me up so I can have a properly balanced physique. And that's my goal, guys. I just really want to level up. I put a lot of time in on the shoulders today, and they were really aching. So this is going to pay off. It's really going to pay off, and I'm going to see improvements in my bench press. I'm going to see improvements in my the incline. I'm going to see improvements in my isolated shoulder exercises with the front, side, and rear head of the shoulder. I'm going to see progress. Okay, so that's what it's all about. It's about leveling up. And I did another isolated upper chest exercise with, you know, bringing the dumbbells up like that, trying to just like flex the chest at the top. So I focused on that, and I got a decent workout in today, and I'm really hot. I'm not as tired as I was in the beginning, but I did pick up a good sweat. It is really humid out here. So I'm going to end this video with asking you guys to continue to watch, continue to go with me on this journey as I level up, as you level up. Okay, I hope that I'm motivating you guys to do some work, because if I can do it, you can do it, because we both share the same 24 hours. So do what you need to do, push past you, so that you can get what you want as far as your physical health is concerned. And taking that physical health and that mindset, it actually moves over into every other aspect of your body, because working out is a mental thing. So you need to think about what you're going to do, and then you do it. And that's how everything goes in life. So if you can push yourself in the gym, you can push yourself in any other area in your life. And I believe that, and you're going to see the results. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this channel. Don't forget to click that notification icon. Also, follow me on Instagram as we level up together in John's Garage. See you in the next video. Take it easy.